Alright kids, it's time. Geezer here. Gonna finally run some cars on this track we were working on for like 2 days. You remember we found these boosters as part of this set. Here's the box that the set came in originally. Which camera do I show that to? So yeah, and we found every single part in there except one of those loops, which I think we found at the Goodwill, so we'll do it the right way next time. But anyway, we put together this little set you're looking at now. It's pretty wild. We had to use my other boosters to finish it, as you well see, and we still only had those 8 cars that were able to get the job done, and most of them not very well. But at one point we did have 2 cars on the track at one time. One kept catching the other one, so we obviously know who the fast guy is. But we're going to let you find out as I run them all through again. We may have to do some tweaking here. I already noticed this thing's a little high. In fact, let's bend that down a little bit, see if it stays down there. Alright, so let's go through this. This was the car you saw in the test video. You might have seen one a couple nights ago where I was just trying a car over and over again. Trying to get the track to let him run more than once through, and then finally we got it to the point where he went over and over and over again. But somebody else beat his record, and we'll see who that is in a little bit. Alright, so let's start these guys up. Both of these purple ones, we just feel the... Oh man, these are noisy. I mean, compared to the new ones, the blue ones, listen to these guys. These guys come. But they have a serious flaw, and that flaw is the spinner thing hits them at the top, which means they got to be able to fit in there without getting jammed up, which means you've got to be a narrow car, as you're about to see. So we'll start this guy this way, see if he makes it to this spot here. And then we get over on this side. All right. The guy we know, this is the test car, here we go. Oh wow, okay, so he did not get a kick out of there that time. Try again. Well, you're now not doing as good as you did before. Oh, I did forget to turn these on. That might help. That one, I might have to switch these around. That one was pretty powerful. Alright, so there we go. There's 1 full lap. Almost 2. Alright, let's give him another try. See if we can get more than 2. There's 1. Oh, didn't even make 1 that time. Something's going on with this guy. I think I ran this. This is where all the guys that got stuck went. They might have gotten damaged. But I learned my lesson quick. If it's thickly at a certain thickness, it ain't going on the track. Alright. So this guy's averaging about 2 before something goes wrong. Oop. I think I have to give it a little bigger kick to get through there. That didn't help. Let's go a little faster here. Let's go forward. Yeah, so if he gets into this kicker a little quicker, he can make it through that loop a little better. So there we go. We're up to 3 now. Good enough. All right. So we'll take them in the order we've got them here. This guy wasn't so hot. Let's start him back here. Yeah. A little suspicious there. Let's tweak that a little. Uh-oh. Fail, fail. Made the charm. Oh, it was a charm until he hit this thing, which is too powerful. Alright, 4 is a charm, maybe. 1 full lap, that's all we want. No, not hitting it. There we go, there's 1 lap. And that's it. Okay, give another try. If you made it that far. Whoop. Come back here for the extra kick. Oh, come on. Wasn't meant to be. Alright, so he takes maybe 2 laps. And that's pushing it. Alright. Next Next up, we've got the Corvette, C6 Corvette. First one was the Austin Healey. The second one was the Torque Twister. Now I've got the C6 Corvette, still looking pretty good, but he's one of our top dogs. Whoa! So he went up, came back on again, and this kicker is just killing everybody. So let's come back a little bit on that. Yeah! Let's come forward a little bit on that. One of those could work. Oh, come on. Show us your stuff. There you go. One lap. That's it. Fine. One lap. Give me two. Give me two. 2 laps. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Almost made 3. Let me get one more try. There's 1. There's 2. Ah! Alright, well, at least we got the idea. We kind of got an idea of how he performs. Next up is the Pagini Huayra. When am I going to remember that? Because he actually, if he's in this group, he can make it through here. Here we go. Whoa, first time he makes 1 whole lap. Yeah, you can see how low to the ground he is. Nice profile for this track, because that booster hits his roof. And if it's not too thick, he gets a good kick. Let's try one more time. Yeah, smooth. Well, that wasn't smooth. So he gets a 3rd try. Here's 1 lap. There's 2 laps. 3. Come on, Pagini. No, almost makes it to 4. Close enough. See, we kind of got these in the order that they were successful before. You'll see our star over here at the end. He was a surprise. Up in 5th place. We got the muscle speeder. As you can see, you can see it if I put it in front of the camera. Nice profile for these boosters. So they get kicked right through there. Here we go. Oh, well, if he makes it there. Whoa, went through that backwards, okay. There's not even 1. Gotta love that Hot Wheel color, though. Hot Wheel orange, can't even see when he's on the track. At least the orange part. There's 1 lap. Yeah, he's sloppy, though. He's barely staying on the track after this. After this yellow roof. But yeah, something's got him rocking around when he hits this spot here. But anyway, he's obviously a 2 or 3 lapper. That's about it. Now we're getting to the 3 that actually did pretty darn good. Well, of course, I'm not going to be able to read that for you. But he's beautiful. Look at that. Low profile. He was actually a shocker that he did so well because this sticks up right there. You see it from behind. Well, I'll get my thumb out of the way. That little ridge there, I thought for sure he was going to do some funky stuff. But he seems to like it. Much good. Got that nice low to the track, hugging it. And he goes pretty good. So we're going to try to get 2, maybe 3 on the track at one time. He's obviously one of them. I'm not even counting. He's so good at this. Look at that. Can we just let him go? Let's go ahead and add 1. Because we know that guy's pretty good too. Well, hell's bells. Let's try to get 3 on there. Oh. Yeah, this guy. He shines, man. Whoa! He was until I ran somebody else in there. Alright, so the other guy that was doing great. Oh, that's right, the high-tech missile. This guy was pretty good too. But the guy who did better than everybody else was the trucker, and that was the slide kick. Remember this guy? Pull out the back, opens up. Turns out he loves this track. Watch this. Oh, well, he loved it yesterday. Yeah, I think something happened to this booster here, but it doesn't seem to be kicking like it used to when I started doing it. But anyway, let's see if we can get 3 on at once. Here we go. This is the good guy. Let him do 1 lap. Here comes number 2. See if we can catch the first one. So that's what happened when I did this yesterday is the slide kick caught up to whoever else was on the track. And there you go. And he's going to do it again because he flies somewhere along the way. Let's get the, here we go, time for 3. We got 3 going. See how long it lasts. Whoop. Slide kick failed. Whoa, somebody's hitting hard there. Whoa. Grand finale. 3 on at once. Here we go. See how long it lasts. Lost this guy, and we got a pile up. All right. Good enough. You got to see it. It was worth all the trouble. But I'm taking this down. These guys, they're too limited. Like, maybe 10% of these cars can go underneath these things. So maybe we'll pull on again. I won't toss them. They might come in handy in the future. But like I said, we got a good picture of the guys who can actually go through there. And there's not very many. Anyway, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll come up with another track setup that hopefully more cars can go through. Geezer out. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.